of course, to protect Majoli from erosion and to develop Majoli, as we have enormous resources of culture and heritage, resources of tourism, and also to develop connectivity, connecting river, boat bank of river Brahmaputra.
Okay.
So that's the way I want to take Majoli ahead.
Congress government has raised the issue of the secret killings in these elections. What do you have to say about that?
It is Congress who has protected the secret killer, because during the 15 years regime of Tarun Gogoiji as a chief minister, and he has received 4 commission report of secret killing, but he didn't take any initiative.
BJP has given tickets to a lot of ex-Alpha members. What do you have to say about that?
Everyone is now trying themselves to work for the cause of the people of Assam.
Okay.
And our main objective is to bring everybody together, because we firmly believe that united we stand, divided we fall.
BJP has been saying that there is a secret pact between AIUDF and Congress.
It is Congress who has their deal with AIUDF, because in the recently concluded Rajya Sabha election, it is proof that AIUDF and Congress, they are the two sides of the same coin.
If you become the Chief Minister of Assam, what would be your main priorities?
Priorities: development, and also ensuring security of life and property of all the caste, community and religious section of society living in Assam for centuries together.
What would you say to the minority community of Assam? Should they be little skeptical while voting for BJP, or BJP will stand by them?
Our main objective is to protect everybody in the state of Assam, whether he is Hindus or Muslim, it doesn't matter, but we'll take everybody along.
How will you deal with the NRC issue when it is implemented? What would you do about the whole thing? What do you do with the illegal immigrants?
Of course, we'll as per the expectation of the people of Assam, we'll have to make this state illegal migrant free state, because we'll have to ensure that the right of the indigenous people should be there.
The BJP has said that the Hindu migrants who have come from Bangladesh, they would stand by them. They should be provide refuge in India. Do you still stand by that statement?
Of course, we'll protect the Hindu, Bengalis here, because whoever have come out of religious persecution.
Thank you, sir, for talking to the Queen, and wish you all the best for this election.
Thank you.